I'm serious now. Let's go.
Boy, and I'm serious too. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, will you? Let's go. And let's make haste. We don't need to be friends with people like her, anyways.
Uh,
Okay, but wait, brother. Please don't make haste. Let me tell you a little bit more about Jesus, and then you could decide if you want to leave or if our legitimacy of our praise to him is worth it.
Jesus taught many things, including that he is the Messiah, but not in a boastful way, In fact, he was so humble, he used to ask people, "Who do you think that I am?" And of course, he received different answers, but one of his disciples, Peter, called him the Messiah. But Jesus then used that instance to teach people about he was the king, but like in a different way, More different than anyone could ever expect, really. And that instead of overthrowing the throne, he would instead die for people to save them. He often critiqued people so that they could turn their life around and become better. But the Pharisees, oh no, they didn't like that. They always took offense to Jesus' claims. At the Passover meal, he retold the story and taught of a new meaning. What once was no longer, and because of Jesus, things like life had new meaning. After Jesus left and rose again, came something called the Great Commission. Jesus instructed his followers to spread the good news that Jesus is King and that all people could join in the kingdom by getting baptized and by following his teachings. And before he left, he reminded us that he will be with us always. You said he'll always be with us, like no matter what we've done?
You aren't possibly starting to believe this malarkey, are you?